Here we are looking at the control panel. Top left is power on. Next one down is your main light switch. You have light switches as you go around to turn the lights on and off. Next one is your awning light. And this one is your water pump. You need that one turned on to get water from your tanks to your taps. This one here is your battery reading, showing it's green, it's good. If it's gone down to the amber light, that means it needs charging on the battery. And if they've gone down to red one, battery is dead and definitely needs charging. This is for your freshwater tank, indicating that the fresh water is full. As the water is used, that will deplete down, going back to the red, saying your freshwater tank is empty. When your wastewater is full, the red light will come on all on its own, indicating that the waste tank will need emptying. If you're on a campsite, just follow their rules and regs. They will have a disposal area where you can empty all your water.